Hey guys, it's Double Duns Garage. This is the 4th of July.
Happy 4th.
Happy 4th, guys. It's Dwight's right there.
Woo!
It's Michael right there. Hey.
America!
And we're just out here on our front porch. View of everything. And it is wild out here. Like wild.
Wow.
Ridiculous.
That is insane.
Bailey's right here with us. Hey, babe.
She did good.
Yeah, she actually is really good. Anyway, thought we'd shoot some video. Kind of show what this is all about. Show that our governor isn't going to stop us from doing this crap, apparently. A lot of people agree in this county with that. And kind of just, I mean, we don't usually do a lot of political stuff on our channel whatsoever. But we just feel that all this is a load of crap. Pretty much.
2020, we need to be America.
Yeah, we still need to be America.
We still need to be America.
And I hear that California is not allowed to do this stuff. So, and that really, really sucks. I bet you there's still some Californians that do it anyway. I don't think it matters. They don't like us. They're just like, we don't give a crap. Do what we want.
Holy crap.
Yeah, I know. There's so much going on.
This isn't a big town, folks. This is
This is 40,000 people.
Yeah. Small town of about 40,000.
Rainier is way over there. Straight ahead.
Yeah, it's so
past
smoky,
everything.
You can't even see the bridge.
Yeah. There's a bridge right about there. Yeah, it's you can barely see the bridge. And Rainier, Oregon, all that hill, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a hill there. On the other side, there's a river, and then a hill, and Rainier, Oregon's over there. And we're in Washington State. Obviously, I assume you probably knew that. Anyway, we're right up against the Oregon border there.
Insane.
And it is pretty crazy. There's a lot of fireworks going off. It's really beautiful. Loving it very much. We decided not to do fireworks. Maybe because we felt that everybody else was going to be doing fireworks. Maybe that's why we kind of went against it. I don't know. Just something that we couldn't get wrapped around this year.
Yeah.
We were thinking about doing it. We're really, really thinking about doing it. We're like, we got our own fireworks display right in front of us. Everything.
Got a lot going on.
There's got to be $20,000 in fireworks
20,000
going off in front of us like every 10 minutes.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Good God.
That's a stupid assumption. I don't know, but it seems possible.
I know one fireworks stand I was over is completely sold out.
Yeah. Look at this. This is so cool.
This is insane.
Like, dude.
Man, it makes you proud to be an American.
Yeah, exactly.
Woo, USA!
America, hell yeah. Loving it, every minute of it, guys. They're going off behind us. I can't reach the phone over there, but they're going off behind us. And it's crazy. Crazy.
The hell with Antifa. The hell with everybody. We're America, damn it. What's that guy?
Yeah. The hell with BLM.
Yeah.
We know.
Stop.
We know all their. Good grief! Look at the ground. And it's it's flashing from fireworks behind.
Holy cow!
I know because there's not. I mean, people spending thousands and thousands of dollars in fireworks. I saw a thing on TikTok that was just like ridiculous. This guy had a little backyard all set up with all the fireworks they bought. Probably $4,000 of fireworks. I would not doubt at least.
Wow.
It was pretty crazy. I was like, dude, they're ready to go. Anyway, it's not even completely dark yet.
No.
Right now, what is it, 10? Ouch, I just got my foot stepped on. My doggy.
Fish
Stepped on my
stepping on you, there, dude.
freaking feet.
A pit bull stepping on you.
Hurts.
Yes, she's a pit bull.
We do the Chinese thing and don't wear shoes in our house.
That
It's just something we do.
That needs to stop.
We started doing that, you know, we started doing that, like, I don't know, been doing that ever since. Mom and Dad just did that, and we decided to do that. Take our shoes off when we go in the house.
God bless us. Look at that. I was kind of having a downer day until this started.
Yeah, it was pretty quiet. Okay, you see that above there? People? There's a helicopter.
That's a helicopter, or is it a drone?
No.
No, that's a helicopter.
That's too high for...
That's a helicopter.
It's a helicopter.
Somebody said take a bird up and get a view.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh my God, look at them
All the way along the coast there.
Wow.
Just hardcore taking off right now. Absolutely love this, guys. Love this. This is so fun right now. And yeah, there's a helicopter way up there.
Insane.
I mean, this puts a lot of years of 4th of July's to shame.
Yeah.
And I understand.
Yeah.
I understand. People are tired. People are tired of sticking inside, and they're tired of what's going on in this country. And they decided,
It's time to
screw you all.
Have some fun.
It's starting to get so smoky that even fireworks in the distance are kind of flamed out.
Yeah.
From it's pretty crazy. That one, way up there, look at.
Just keep your pets inside if
Yep.
they're not happy.
Yep, keep
Put
them
in a
safe.
dark room.
Keep them inside, keep them safe.
Ours right here seems to be doing pretty good.
Yeah, she seems to, like, not
Bailey.
mind.
Bailey.
Hey, Bailey. Say hi to everyone. Say hi to everyone. Hey. Hi. What's up, girl? I love you. She's
She's doing pretty good.
such a good old pit bull right there.
That's right. That's our pit.
Everybody.
2-year-old pit. Good girl. Ow!
Until she steps on toes. And then you got 50 pounds of dog on a toe. And she's not fat. I think she's a skinny little dog.
Insane.
Anyway, all right, guys. We are 8 minutes in. We're gonna just sign off. Maybe we might come back when it's a little bit darker. Who knows? Because it's still kind of bright. I mean, obviously you see that. But we might come back a little bit darker, guys. All right, for Double Duns Garage is Michael.
I'm Dwight. Happy 4th, people!
Happy 4th, guys. See you later.